welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Tiguan SEL. This is the 4Motion, finished in Indium Grey metallic paint, 2-litre diesel. You've got really nice alloy wheels. You've got your chrome window surrounds and roof rails. This one comes with a power tailgate, so I'll show you how you operate that. And there you go, so you've got a really good boot size, and then to close all you need to do is just press the button on the top. Really quick and easy. So I'll open up and show you some of the inside. So you can see you've got plenty of space in there. You have also got the climate control in the back and the trays on the front 2 seats, which are really great if you've got kids. So as you can see, you've got the chrome on the front. And I'll hop on the inside and I'll show you some of the features that are on this car. So as you can see, really nice on the inside, no marks or anything like that. Got your adjustments here. I'll start it up. This one's automatic, so you've got your automatic gears down here. You've also got an electronic parking brake with auto hold. You do have parking cameras on this one, so if I pop this into reverse, it will show the rear parking camera. There is park assist as well. You've also got driving mode selection, so you can choose between eco, sport, individual or normal. You've also got snow setting, off-road and off-road individual as well, just depending on how you want the car to feel. You have got front and rear parking sensors as well. You've got your sat nav, you've got app connect for your phone, you've got the dash, multi-function steering wheel. Down there you've got your light switches, so you have got automatic lights on this one. You've got boot release, heated door mirrors and also all your window controls. And then an amazing feature this car has is their fully electronic panoramic sunroof with sunblind. So to open the sunblind, you just press the button, opens really quickly, and then you have also got the sunblind, the sunroof, there we go. So it really does flood loads of light into the car, it really brightens it up on the inside. And you've also got your power folding mirrors that close when we lock. So I hope you like the car. If you are interested or if you've got any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.